Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I have a very highly requested video for you guys. A lot of you have asked me questions around exfoliation, both chemical and physical form of it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about exfoliation, mainly concentrating on chemical exfoliation. Now I'll tell you the products, how to use them, what are the best products in my opinion, what will work on hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne, so on and so forth. Now, if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Now, there's a huge belief in the beauty/skincare industry that chemical exfoliators are better than physical exfoliators. And as much as I believe in that theory, I also do beg to differ that chemical exfoliators can be a little bit too purging on a skin that has never been exfoliated. So in my opinion, and that's only my opinion, I would recommend starting off with a physical exfoliator first. Let your skin get used to the whole concept of exfoliation and then move on to chemical exfoliators. Now, having said that, it all depends the kind of exfoliation that you're using and the way you're using it. Now we're going to dive in and see what are the different forms of chemical exfoliations available and which one is suitable for which skin concern. The first form of chemical exfoliation available is alpha hydroxy acid, also known commonly as AHAs. They are water soluble. The most popular form of AHA is glycolic acid. Now AHAs reduce hyperpigmentation, acne scars and discoloration, reverse sun damage. AHAs increase skin's elasticity and collagen density and hence fight signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. They should be applied at night. Moving on to the second form of exfoliation, we have the beta hydroxy acid known as BHA. They are oil soluble. The most popular form of BHA is salicylic acid. Now BHA helps in tackling acne caused inflammation, melasma and help treat hyperpigmentation. They are highly effective in treating acne, blackheads and whiteheads. They are said to be applied day or night. BHAs have no humectant properties and hence can be very drying on the skin. Therefore, they are very good for oily acne prone skin because that will not make your face any more oily. Not just that, they have anti-inflammatory properties as well and hence they are an excellent treatment for anyone who's suffering with acne. First, I'm going to talk about products that have AHA, and the first one that I have here, have spoken about this in the past as well, is the PIXI Glow Toner. This comes with 5% glycolic acid. Now, the good thing about this toner is that this will help treat any kind of pigmentation, discoloration, or if you have acne scars. Have been using this and really liking this. Like I said in my PIXI review video, that this has to be used very sparingly. You have to take few drops on a cotton pad and wipe off your face. And in my opinion, because this is a very strong product with 5% glycolic acid, this should be used only twice, at the max 3 times a week. Now, this has perfume way on top of the list, so if you're sensitive skin, you definitely need to watch out. The second product is from SUGANDA, and I've been trying out a lot of their skincare, especially testing out their chemical exfoliators for a while now and a few of their serums. What I have here for you is their AHA serum. Now, this comes with 10% lactic acid, Gotu Kola and green tea. Gotu Kola is basically Centella Asiatica. I'm going to close up and show you the texture of this. It's really light and liquidy. Now, this is the kind of serum that gets absorbed in the skin very easily, in my opinion. One of the best AHA serums out there. Now, this has 10% lactic acid in it, which is very good if you have hyperpigmentation, acne scars, or if you're looking for something to have that even toned skin, good for discoloration. Now, this also has in addition Gotu Kola, that's Centella Asiatica, and also has green tea, which is calming on the skin. This is a gentle exfoliator. In my opinion, if you're looking for a good AHA serum, definitely give this one a go. The next product that I have for you is something that I've spoken in the past, and this I highly recommend for any one of you who's a beginner to chemical exfoliation, because this is not a potent product at all. In fact, it's very light. If you have oily acne prone skin in specific, you're going to like this. What I'm talking about is the PLUM green tea toner. I have done a full review on PLUM products, their entire green tea range. This one in particular I really like. I started off with this. It's a very light toner. This has glycolic acid in it. However, the glycolic acid percentage is very less, because in the ingredient list, it's way down the list. But it's a gentle toner to use, and I recommend using this at night, guys. And when you're using glycolic acid products, please make sure you're not mixing them with vitamin C. In fact, any AHA that you're including in your skincare, make sure you're not mixing it with vitamin C in specific. The next product that I have for you is also a toner, and the one that I have for you here is from TONIC. It's their 5% AHA exfoliant toner. Now this one in particular has glycolic and lactic acid in it, and this smells very perfumey. Having said that, the perfume I saw on the ingredient list is way down the list, but not denying the fact that this is very perfume smelling. Now, one thing about the toner is that it comes in a spritzing format. So, in my opinion, if there is any AHA or BHA toner, it might as well be in a proper toner bottle, because if you're spritzing this on your face, you're risking the toner going into your eyes, hence irritating your eyes, and we definitely don't want that. So, if you're using this, go ahead, try it out, but take it on a cotton pad, spritz enough on the cotton pad, and then just wipe off your face with it. The next product that I have for you is the PIXI Peel and Polish. This is the same one that I reviewed in my PIXI video. This comes with lactic acid. It's basically a resurfacing enzyme peel. Now, if you guys must have seen my review of the PIXI products, you would know my review on this one. To very briefly tell you, this did not do much for my skin. However, if you do want to try, go ahead, because there are some great reviews about the product online. But honestly, in my opinion, it did not do anything for my skin. The way to use it is pretty easy. You apply this enzyme all over your face, leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes and wash off. The next product that I have for you is something which, in my opinion, is not a chemical exfoliator, or actually does not do a lot for your skin. But I did want to include this in this video to clarify my opinion on the product. What I'm talking about is the PLUM green tea face wash. Now, PLUM's green tea range comes with glycolic acid, and so does this one. In my opinion, this is one of the best face washes out there, especially if you have acne-prone, oily skin. This is something that I really like. This is an empty, and I will definitely repurchase. It also made it to my top 10 face wash list. This is an excellent face wash, but this is not a chemical peel and a chemical exfoliator. This does have glycolic acid in it in very less amount, way down the list. And in my opinion, guys, a face wash anyway will be washed off. And you should not use, again, my opinion, a face wash more than 1 minute. That is 60 seconds. Because if you scrub your face with a face wash more than that, you will end up drying out your skin. So this is a product which is a great product in itself. It's a great face wash, and definitely use it as a face wash. But I don't think that this will do a lot if you're referring to this as a chemical exfoliator. Now moving on to the BHA exfoliators, and before I do that, I will show you a product that's the best of both worlds. You get both AHA and BHA in it. The product that I'm referring to is from TONIC. It's their Hydro Peel Glow Potion. Comes with 10% AHA, 2% BHA. This has glycolic acid and lactic acid in the AHA category and salicylic acid in the BHA category. Now, in my opinion, and I have used this product a couple of times, I think this is a pretty good product, and like I said, brings you the best of both worlds, the properties of both AHAs and BHAs. But the way to use it, and I have seen a few people using it the complete wrong way, and that's why I'm bringing this up here. This, guys, is not a leave-in serum. Now, in the way to use it is you have to apply this on your face, take about 3 to 4 drops in your fingertips, apply it all over your face and neck, leave it on for about 10 to 11 minutes and then wash off with cold water. Please make sure you're not sleeping off while this is on, because this is a pretty potent product, simply because this has properties of both AHA and BHA. Also, please make sure, because it's a potent product, you're using this only at night. The next BHA serum that I have for you is from SUGANDA. It is a 2% salicylic acid and Chetali Chadha and green tea in it. This, in my opinion, you guys, is one of the best BHA serums out there. If you have whiteheads, blackheads, or enlarged pores, you definitely want to give this one a go. This does take a little bit of time to show results. You got to be a little bit patient with this one, but definitely does show results. I have whiteheads on my nose. I've spoken about that, and a little bit of enlarged pores around my cheeks. I am going to show you the texture, zoom up a little bit, and this is such a lightweight serum. It is super light on the skin. You have oily skin, you have acne prone skin, even dry skin type people can use this. Now, the way to use if you're a beginner is to take few drops in your moisturizer, 2 to 4 drops, and then apply it on your face. Once your skin has become friendly with chemical exfoliation, then go on after washing, toning, and then applying this exfoliating serum. Then you can go on with your moisturizer. In my opinion, one of the best BHA serums out there. Moving on to the next category of exfoliation, which is the physical exfoliators. I have two here for you. The first one from Juicy Chemistry is the Saffron Rose and Australian Sandalwood Face Scrub. Now, this is such a beautiful scrub. It's not very gentle on the skin. You got to be a little careful while you're using this, but look at how much of this I've used, and this smells so very wonderful because of the rose and saffron. Now this, you guys in particular, or any scrub that you're using, please make sure you're using your ring finger to scrub. If you're too harsh with your fingers, otherwise your ring finger is anyway gentle. Scrub your face not more than 2 to 3 minutes if you're using a physical exfoliator, and then leave it on. In this one particular, you have to leave it on for about 5 minutes and then wash off. And always wash off your scrubs with cold water. And if you feel that you have there's any rash on your face, take an ice cube and just rub an ice cube very gently on your face for about a minute, minute and a half. Having said that, this in my opinion is a very good face scrub if you use it correctly. The last face scrub that I have for you is actually a multi-purpose product. It's a face cleanser, scrub and also a face mask. What I have for you here is from Pure by Priyanka Myoho. I have shown this product to you in the past as well, made it to my top 10 cleansers list. This is basically their ILLUMINATI face cleanser. This is for dry skin, but actually works on my combination skin pretty well. And this, I'm going to read out, has some very excellent ingredients. This has licorice, which is very good for brightening, has cloves, flaxseed, rose powder, rose petals, lavender buds, jasmine, thyme, neem oil, chamomile and almonds. The way to use it as a cleanser is you take a little bit, put some water in it and just cleanse your face, that's all. The way I like to use it is that I like to mix it, make a paste with yogurt, some rose water, also add some honey, and then I'm going to leave it on my face for about 10 minutes. And then after it's dried off, I'll take a little bit of water in my hands, very gently start scrubbing my face for about 2 to 3 minutes and then wash off. Again, a great product to get your hands on. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really do hope that I was able to answer all your queries about chemical and physical exfoliation. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.